Next, we're going to talk about the Instagram module. So if I click on the new module button here, and then from this drop down select Instagram, I can give it a name if I want to. There we go. And click submit. So what this will do is this will automatically pull in pictures from an Instagram account to a page on your CMS. So in order to do that, you first have to authorize the Instagram account to pull in the pictures. And so if I click this authorize account button, it will take me to Instagram. And if you're signed in already, like I am, it will say hello and ask you if you request the following. It will access your basic information, your media profile info. I'm going to click on authorize. And now I'll be brought to this page here that shows that my account has authorized this module for access to the user information. So now that we've authorized my Instagram account, we can now create a page with this on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to content, and I'm going to go to the page that I've created. And then from here, I'm going to click on the modules button down here in the bottom right, and I will select Instagram. And so now you can see Instagram feed for me. And I can change a few things if I want to. If I click on the blue pencil icon here, I can change settings as far as, do I want the heading to show saying Instagram and the number of photos that I want to show. So let's just say for this example, we only want to show one photo. I click on Save Changes. And now if I take a look at the preview, you can see there's my Instagram account, and there's the last picture that I had uploaded. So it's an easy way to get an Instagram feed automatically into your CMS. The biggest thing you have to remember is that you have to be able to authorize the CMS access to your Instagram account.